You have a Christmas pudding in your hot little hands, and I have the extraordinary Jane in-house who's going to show you how you can make a brandy butter, and I'm going to show you how to make a rum sauce to go with your Christmas pudding. The instructions and the recipe will be down below. Leave you in the capable hands of Jane.
Christmas is getting close, so what we're going to do today is make this beautiful brandy butter. First, some lemon zest going in. Next, we've got aromatic orange zest. Thank you, Simon, for doing the dishes. And we're just going to cream this together, mixing in the lovely orange and lemon zest. Next, we're going to sift in some icing sugar. Yeah, get all those lumps out, makes it easier to mix it in. Okay, so it's all come together beautifully now. We've mixed in all the icing sugar and the zest. Now the exciting part, brandy. Here we go, first one. Just do it one spoonful at a time. If we put it all in at once, it's going to split and become a disaster.
Somebody could replace the brandy with rum if they like rum. You could even get kirsch in there, couldn't you?
Here we go. Ready for the next one.
Another one.
To be careful.
It's not kid-friendly, this.
No. Have a few little sleepy babies on Christmas Day. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's good.
It is good.
Now you can make this days in advance of Christmas, keep it covered in the fridge, and then just get it out and let it get to room temperature. And maybe at the last minute, just a little dusting of the sugar. You could put a sprig of mint in there. You could put some
bit of holly.
Okay, Mary, rum sauce. You can use dark or light rum. Couple of egg yolks. Let's get rid of the whites. Always crack your eggs on a flat surface. That way you get that beautiful even crack with your egg, rather than a lot of people do on the side like that. But if we do that, you always get that lovely, perfect crack down the middle. So a couple of good size eggs in there, just a tablespoon of sugar. You could whisk half a cup of cream, thank you. So we want the water simmering away. We want to make sure that it's not, the bottom of the stainless steel is not sitting in the water, it's just getting heated from the steam from the water bubbling away. My mum used to make this Christmas pudding every Christmas and always serve it with this rum cream sauce. But I was talking to her yesterday and she said, you know, it freezes really well. So yeah, so you don't have to worry about doing it on Christmas morning.
Really?
Have it done. That cream's perfect. So what we're going to do now is just getting the cream in here. So this is just a cup of cream. And once this is thickened from the egg yolks, just ever so slightly, we'll put the rum in. You could put dark rum, light rum, whatever flavoured rum you like. You can make it a brandy sauce if you like. It is got a little bit of alcohol in it, so give the kids a scoop of ice cream with it instead.
What your mum said is you put it all together and freeze it.
Yep, freezes perfectly.
Isn't that such a great tip? Everyone's so time forward to get that out of the way.
Done, right? Done, yeah.
And you've bought the pudding.
Yeah, the pudding's done. Easy as, right? The reheating instructions are in the bottom of the box when you open it up. Options for the microwave, steaming it.
And the recipes for the sauce and the butter are
in the description of this video below. See, that's just starting to thicken up nicely. I'll let you just stir and I'll start putting in the 3 tablespoons of rum. I'm using light rum, but if you've got dark rum, that's fine. 1, 2, and 3 with a little extra for us. You know, it sort of coats the back of a spoon if we look at it.
certainly does.
See,
Perfect.
like that.
Good.
Good. So now what we would do is let this cool, and then we would just add the whipped cream in there.
And that just lightens it up a bit.
Just lightens it up, but
Could you freeze it like that and put the whipped cream in after, or is it okay?
you could do. You could do, but my mum used to always just make the whole thing, put it in an ice cream container into the freezer, and it's done. So we'll let that cool down and then we'll show you, but we need to flame our Christmas pudding. A warm pan, get in your brandy, your
Beautiful
rum,
brandy.
and we just need to warm it. You don't want to boil it, otherwise we'll boil the alcohol off
True.
and it won't flame. This is always going to look better when you have it serving it at night, right? Light it. Here we go. We're a light over the top.
Goodness. Look at that. Oh, Simon, it's gorgeous.
Love it.
Wow.
How cool is that?
Careful, don't burn yourself.
Take it to the table, flaming away. Love it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And that's served with our brandy butter and our rum cream sauce. Merry Christmas, everybody.